The judge overseeing former President Donald Trump's civil case in New York issued a gag order Tuesday banning people involved in the case from posting information about their staff online after an inflammatory post appeared on Trump's social media account identifying the judge's clerk. Took it out shortly after returning from a long lunch break on the second day of the trial. New York Judge Arthur Engoron addressed a simmering dispute that had emerged at noon. Consider this statement as a gag order prohibiting all parties from posting about their staff on social media, he said. The post in question was shared from Trump's account on the social media platform Truth Social. Earlier in the day, the letter included photo of the clerk with Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer, a Democrat, and linked to what appeared to be his private Instagram profile. Trump incorrectly referred to clerk Allison Greenfield as Schumer's girlfriend and called for the case to be dismissed. Trump's lawyer did not answer questions about him after the post was made. The post disappeared after Trump and his lawyers met with the judge presiding over the case during a recess on Tuesday. Seth Wenigpoolafp via Trump was in the courtroom for the second day of his trial on civil charges, alleging he and his company falsified business and personal records for financial gain. At around 1300, the courtroom was cleared for its regular lunch break. Minutes later, after reporters and other citizens were escorted out, lawyers for both sides returned to the courtroom. Reporters were barred from re-entering for about 15 minutes. Shortly after Trump and his lawyers left, the post about Greenfield disappeared from the website. Greenfield has been at Engoron's side at nearly every hearing in the case for years and is frequently given the opportunity to question attorneys on his behalf. He has at times had heated arguments with members of Trump's legal team over the intricacies of New York law. He has not yet questioned the lawyers during the hearing, although it was not immediately clear what happened in closed-door meeting with the judge on Tuesday. Trump's social media posts targeting prosecutors, judges and others involved in separate criminal cases have become subject of court fights over what he can and cannot do. In August, Special Prosecutor Jack Smith, who is prosecuting Trump in 2 federal cases, asked U.S. District Judge Tanya Chutkan to issue a protective order limiting what former president can say about the case on allegations of trying to overturn 2020 election. Citing multiple posts on Truth Social, prosecutors accused Trump of making inflammatory public statements aimed at influencing potential jurors and intimidating witnesses. He asked him to issue an adapted order, provocative or intimidating. She referred to a post in which Trump wrote in all caps, "If you come after me, I'll come after you." Trump's lawyers said the request was nothing more than a blatant attempt